Stunning wooden coffee table designs and ideas, perfect for every living room style. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're excited to share some of the most beautiful and creative wooden coffee table designs that will elevate your living room decor. Whether you're going for a rustic farmhouse feel, a sleek modern vibe, or a cozy traditional look, we've curated a variety of wooden coffee tables to inspire your next home upgrade. Why choose a wooden coffee table? Wooden coffee tables are timeless, versatile, and durable. They bring warmth and character to any space and can easily match various interior styles. From natural textures to polished finishes, the possibilities with wood are endless. Whether you're furnishing a new home or refreshing your current living room, a well-chosen coffee table becomes a centerpiece that ties everything together. What you'll see in this video This video showcases a wide range of designs including classic rectangular coffee tables perfect for traditional and transitional living rooms. Round and oval tables ideal for creating smooth flow in smaller or cozier spaces. Rustic and reclaimed wood designs add texture and a natural, earthy appeal. Modern minimalist styles featuring clean lines, geometric forms, and lighter finishes. Industrial-inspired tables combining wood with metal frames for a bold, stylish look. Multifunctional and lift-top tables perfect for small apartments, offering extra storage and utility. Live edge and slab designs celebrate the organic beauty of natural wood grain. Wood types and finishes explored We'll take a closer look at different types of wood such as oak, walnut, teak, mango wood, pine, and acacia, each offering unique tones, textures, and durability. You'll also discover various finishes, from natural matte to dark stained and glossy polished looks. DIY and custom design ideas If you enjoy a good DIY project or want to create a custom piece, we include design inspiration and tips on how to build or modify your own wooden coffee table. Learn about tools, finishes, shapes, and materials that suit your space and style. How to choose the right coffee table Choosing the right coffee table is more than just style, it's about proportion, functionality, and the way it interacts with the rest of your furniture. We offer helpful tips on sizing, height, placement, and styling with accessories like trays, books, candles, and plants. Perfect for every room size and budget Whether you have a spacious open-plan layout or a compact apartment, we feature designs that fit all room sizes and price points, from budget-friendly options to handcrafted statement pieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe, If you love interior design, furniture inspiration, and DIY,